Nietzsche believed that the select man, or the exceptional individual, strives for a sense of privacy and freedom from the masses. This desire for solitude and exclusivity is a natural instinct that allows the individual to differentiate themselves from the average man, who represents the rule. However, Nietzsche also acknowledged that the select man must occasionally engage with the average man in order to fully understand human nature. In Nietzsche's view, the study of the average man is a necessary part of the life of every philosopher. This study involves much self-disguise, self-overcoming, and unpleasant social interactions. Nietzsche believed that this part of the philosopher's life is the most disagreeable, odious, and disappointing. However, he also acknowledged that suitable auxiliaries, such as cynics, can help to lighten the philosopher's burden. Cynicism is a necessary form of honesty for base souls, and the higher man must be open to all forms of cynicism, whether coarse or refined. The lover of knowledge should hearken attentively and diligently whenever anyone speaks without bitterness or indignation about human nature. The indignant man may stand higher morally than the laughing and self-satisfied satyr, but he is less instructive and more ordinary in every other sense. Nietzsche believed that no one is such a liar as the indignant man. Overall, Nietzsche's philosophy emphasizes the importance of individuality and the need for select individuals to separate themselves from the masses in order to fully understand human nature. At the same time, Nietzsche acknowledges the importance of engaging with the average man in order to gain a complete picture of human behavior.